Meet an aspiring customer, Sean. Sean is looking at products available on your website. He realizes he has more questions than answers. A live chat window appears at the bottom of the screen. Amanda, an experienced agent, joins the web chat. She's able to make a personal connection by seeing Sean is looking at a top-selling product. Amanda mentions she just helped another customer in his area with a similar request. This makes Sean comfortable and confident with the conversation. An experience made possible with the integration of the Five9 Intelligent Cloud Contact Center and your CRM platform. During their web chat, Amanda suggests switching to live voice support to better assist Sean. During the call, Amanda realizes that Sean needs the expertise of a product specialist. Amanda immediately starts looking for a product specialist on Microsoft Teams. Amanda can see Michael, a product specialist, is available from his status. So Amanda loops him into the call in real time from his Microsoft Teams client. Through a seamless, personalized, and friendly experience, Sean got all his questions answered. Start your journey today with Unity Connected Solutions and harness the power of Five9 and Microsoft Teams.